In this video, we are going to talk about the top 10 tech stocks to buy in 2022. So before starting, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for future updates. Number 10. Hasbro Incorporated. Hasbro Incorporated is based in Rhode Island. Paul Tudor Jones reported owning 225132 Hasbro Incorporated shares worth $18.4 million in the first quarter of 2022. Hasbro Incorporated reported Q1 earnings per share of 57 cents, 7 cents below analysts' forecasts. Revenue rose 4.33% year-over-year to $1.16 billion, above estimates by $6.24 million. The firm declared a 70 cents quarterly dividend on May 19. The dividend is payable on August 15 to August 1 shareholders. Hasbro yields 3.39% as of May 24. D.A. Davidson analyst Linda Bolton Weiser boosted Hasbro, Inc.'s price target to $128 from $121 on April 20. The analyst noted Hasbro, Inc.'s moderate Q1 upside and confirmed FY22 sales guidance despite unfavorable FX and lost Russian sales. Hasbro, Inc.'s 2022 operating margin target was raised to 16% from 15.5% in 2021. Number 9. Turquoise Hill Resources Ltd. Turquoise Hill Resources Limited explores for copper, gold, and silver. Paul Tudor Jones increased his Turquoise Hill Resources Limited holdings by 9% in Q1 2022, holding 690,472 shares worth $20.7 million, or 0.48% of the 13F stocks. Turquoise Hill Resources Limited announced Q1 earnings of $1.37, exceeding market projections by $1.04. $402.65 million in revenue beat forecasts by $24.28 million. Number 8. B. Riley Financial Incorporated. Riley Financial Incorporated serves corporate, institutional, and high-net-worth clients in North America, Australia, and Europe. Tudor Investment Corp. owned 311785 B. Riley Financial Incorporated shares worth $21.8 million in the first quarter of 2022. B. Riley Financial Incorporated issued a $1 quarterly dividend on April 28. On May 20, shareholders received dividends. The company's May 23 dividend yield was 7.95%. Q1 GAAP loss per share was 43 cents, while sales was $205.6 million, down 38.3% year-over-year. Number 7. DigitalOcean Holdings Incorporated. DigitalOcean Holdings Incorporated delivers cloud-based infrastructure and solutions for developers, startups, and SMBs. Paul Tudor Jones held 475017 DigitalOcean Holdings Incorporated shares worth $27.4 million in Q1 2022. Gabriela Borges of Goldman Sachs launched DigitalOcean Holdings Incorporated coverage with a buy rating and $49 price target on May 12. DigitalOcean Holdings Incorporated is a clear leader in cloud infrastructure for SMBs and developers, according to the analyst. The analyst predicts $1 billion in revenue and $200 million in free cash flow for 2024. Number 6. Liberty Broadband Corporation. Liberty Broadband Corporation is a Colorado-based telecommunication company founded in 2014. Paul Tudor Jones' Q1 disclosures showed his hedge fund owned 316012 Liberty Broadband shares worth $42.7 million, or 1% of the 13F securities. Liberty Broadband announced Q1 GAAP EPS of $1.77, topping analysts' forecasts by 28 cents. The $238 million in revenue missed projections by $8.84 million. Number 5. Starz Acquisition Llc. Lionsgate bought Starz Acquisition Llc in 2016. Tudor Investment Corp. increased its Starz Acquisition Llc holdings by 19% in the first quarter of 2022, holding 956,000 shares worth $43.7 million. Berkshire Hathaway owned 43.20 million Starz Acquisition Llc shares worth $2 billion in Q1 2022. The company's largest stakeholder is Warren Buffett's hedge fund. Number 4. American National Group Incorporated. American National Group Incorporated is a Texas-based insurer that serves the U.S., D.C., and PR. The company's Q1 non-GAAP EPS was $2.97. Paul Tudor Jones' $44 million position in the company as of Q1 2022 is 1.03% of the 13F investments. Number 3. Airbnb Incorporated. Airbnb Incorporated offers holiday accommodations and experiences worldwide. Tudor Investment Corp boosted its Airbnb Incorporated investment by 3% in Q1. Paul Tudor Jones says it's a top stock for 2022. Baird analyst Colin Sebastian reiterated Airbnb's outperform rating and $210 price target on May 11. He thinks recent customer-focused modifications can boost app and website traffic and conversion rates. Number 2. Anaplan Incorporated. Anaplan Incorporated is a cloud-based planning tool that allows remote access. In the Americas, Europe, the Middle East, Africa, and the Asia-Pacific, banking, capital markets, consumer products, healthcare, insurance, life sciences, media, professional services, retail, technology, telecom, and transportation use the platform. Tudor Investment Corporation increased its Anaplan Incorporated holdings by 46.92% in Q1 2022, holding 1.3 million shares worth $89.2 million, or 2.08% of all 13F securities. Number 1. Cerner Corporation. Cerner Corporation provides healthcare information technology solutions in the United States and internationally. Paul Tudor Jones increased his Cerner Corporation investment by 522% in Q1 2022, holding 1.09 million shares worth $102.5 million, or 2.4% of his portfolio. Tudor Investment Corp's biggest holding is Cerner. Cerner Corporation's Q1 EPS was 89 cents, topping forecasts by 2 cents. The $1.43 billion revenue was $42.21 million less than expected. Oracle aims to buy Cerner for $28 billion and has petitioned the European Commission with a June 1 deadline. Argus analyst Jasper Helwig lowered Cerner on April 11. What are your plans for investment? Let us know in the comment box below. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you.